Hello, in this video I will show you an overview of the OB chart and how to create the pregnancy on the initial visit. Now, to access the OB chart, you're simply going to access the progress note window. From the appointment window, you can right-click on the appointment slot and click View Progress Note. You can also access this by going to the office visit screen and selecting the patient's name. This is going to bring you to the OB chart. Again, the OB chart is going to be sitting on top of the progress note. You can toggle between the two by clicking on the PN toggle button found next to the Encounter dropdown. This will bring you to the progress note view. From here, you will see the normal progress note for the physical visit you configured, including the OBGYN history. To navigate back to the OB chart, you will click on the OB toggle button. Let's take a brief look at the overview of the OB chart. On the top, you will see the patient dashboard toolbar. Then you will see the OB chart followed by the patient demographics, the Gravida-Para. You will also notice that we have our left header and our right header of the OB chart. On the right side, you will see the OB chart menu bars. You can scroll down to see all of the different sections that are available within the OB chart. This allows for quick navigation on the OB chart and will be used frequently. You will also note that by default, you will only see the Pregnancy List tab. The pregnancy list is going to be blank until we create the pregnancy. You will not be able to access any of these tabs until the pregnancy is created. Let's go ahead and do that now. Click on Create Pregnancy. If you've configured the ICDs to automatically be added to the problem list during creating the pregnancy, you will see a list of ICDs to choose from here. Simply select it. This will automatically be added to the patient's problem list for the duration of this pregnancy. You will note that now we have our pregnancy listed here, and if you scroll down, you will see all of these different sections available for documentation. To start, let's go ahead and add some additional details to this pregnancy. To edit the pregnancy, you're going to click on the pencil icon found to the right of the orange tab. This is going to open the Pregnancy Details window. And again, at the top, you will see similar tabs to our menu bar. This will allow you to quickly navigate between the sections. Within the pregnancy list, the first option we're seeing is the discharge date. We will not enter that until the patient is actually discharged from our care. You will then enter the number of expected children. This is going to be useful if the patient is expecting more than one child and will help you document the flow sheet visits later on for each child. If you know the father of the baby details, you can enter those here, along with the primary care provider, race, ethnicity, and any additional notes. To save this, we're going to click OK. We will discuss closing the pregnancy at the end of the pregnancy. Now that the pregnancy is created, you can begin documenting the initial visit. That concludes this video. Thank you for joining.